I'm so excited to bring this new mindful movement challenge to you. We're doing 5 workouts, 5 minutes each, that you can incorporate anytime throughout the day when you need a little bit of mindful movement. We're gonna go March 21st, Monday, through March 25th, Friday, if you're watching live. And then my unlimited program is gonna open for registration. So check that out. And if you wanna get on the wait list, click the link below. Mindful movement today is going to include working our abdominal muscles and our core. So we're going to start seated with our legs in front and our legs glued together. Sit up nice and tall on your sit bones. Arms are going to reach in front. Take an inhale. Exhale, curl and roll back. Just about a third of the way, halfway. Okay, somewhere in there. Inhale, pause. Exhale, come up over your legs. And inhale, restack. So nice and slow, we're going to do it again. We're connecting to our breath. Exhale, roll down. Inhale, pause. Exhale, back up. Inhale, restack. It's nice to remind our bodies that even in something that can feel very challenging like abdominal work, we are in control, right? It's mindful, it's purposeful. We don't have to always go fast and furious out of the gate. Sometimes we can slow it down and get just as much work. Okay, this is gonna be our last one like this. Doing good things for your spine here as well. On this next one, roll down halfway. Stay here. Lift your right leg. Lower, left leg, lower. 4, 3. I know it's not easy. 2, 1. Nice job. Roll slowly all the way down. And when you get there, hands are going to come behind your head and your knees are going to bend. Take an inhale. Exhale, tuck your chin and come up into a chest lift. We're trying to lift our shoulder blades off and then lower back down. So basically this is a crunch, but I tend not to use that word because we all have different ideas of what a crunch is and different emotions that can exert onto our body. So think of it as just lifting your chest. You're trying to tuck your chin. Don't hold an orange, it's too big. Hold a little walnut. Roll up, you're looking at your belly button, and you're trying to get your shoulder blades off the mat. See if you can keep your tailbone flat as well. So don't let your tailbone lift when you come up. On this next one, roll up and stay there. Twist to your left. Exhale, center. Inhale, twist to your right. Exhale, center. 4. Are you feeling now? It can actually be a little harder when we slow it down. I'm feeling that. 2, 1. And center, down. Nice job. Arms come down to your sides. And you're going to bring the right leg up to what we call tabletop in Pilates. It's a 90-90 position. And your option is, variation 1, is you're just going to alternate legs like this. Okay? And this is a great place to start working your lower abs. Okay, for the next variation, bring one leg up and then the other. So we're in tabletop together. Lower one leg down like you're going to dip your toes in water and lift it up. And the left leg. So for this final piece of our mindful movement for abs, I'm going to take you through a series and you're going to stay with whatever piece you need that feels right to you that day. All right, so it might be with that first marching. Maybe it's here. Next variation would be come up to a crunch. My fingertips are reaching towards the end of the mat. Okay, so again, think mindful movement, which means you are deciding, you're purposeful in your movement. Okay, you're deciding what feels right for you that day. You're listening to your body. Okay, last variation. Legs reach up straight. So I have my right leg in my hands, my left leg is out, and I'm gonna switch. We call this splits, but I'm slowing it down. And each time the leg pulls in, see if you can pull yourself higher. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Both legs in. Roll down. Rock side to side. Reach your arms back. Reach your legs out and just give yourself a big stretch. Let your back arch. Big exhale. Arms down at your sides. Maybe place both hands on your belly. Say thank you for working so hard for me today. And great job. I'll see you soon.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You could also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.